Methods of expressing concentrations. Expressing concentrations like normality, molality, percent solutions, formal solution in parts per million, that is ppm. Normality. Definition of normality. Uh, Normality is the number of gram equivalent of solute or a substance dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called normality. It is indicated by N. This is formula for calculating equivalent weight because we are using equivalent weight of the solute for preparing normal solutions. Equivalent weight is gram equivalent weight of the solute upon number of replaceable proton and hydroxyl ions. Molecular weight of uh, sodium hydroxide. Molecular weight of any compound can be calculated by adding atomic mass of each element present in the molecule. Like molecular weight of the sodium hydroxide is 40 gram per mole, and for preparing these there are three concentrations given, and how to make normal solutions of these concentrations, it is also given. Like for preparing one normal solutions, 40 gram of the sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 ml of water. Equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide will be same like molecular weight because it is a monoprotic compound, and we are using number of replaceable proton and hydroxyl ion, so it will be 1 in case of sodium hydroxide. For preparing 0.01 normal solutions, 4 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 ml of water, and for preparing 0.01 normal solutions, 0.4 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 ml of water. Molarity. Number of moles of solute or substance dissolved in 1 liter of solution solvent is called molarity. Molarity is indicated by capital M, and 1 gram in 1000 ml is 1 mole. For preparing a molar solutions, uh, 1 gram of solute dissolved in 1000 ml of water, and this is formula for molarity, that is number of moles of solute upon 1000 ml of solution. Molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 40 gram per mole, and for preparing 1 molar solutions, 40 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 ml of water. For making 0.1 molar solution, 4 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 ml of water, and for preparing 0.01 molar solution, 0.4 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 ml of water. Molality. A mole solution. Molality is a molar solution contain 1 mole of solute per 1 kilogram of the solution is called as molality. It is indicated by capital M. What is the main difference between molarity and molality? In for preparing molar solutions, we are using solvent also in gram. Formula for molarity is number of molecular weight of the substance of 1000 gram of the solution or solvent. Like molecular weight of the sodium hydroxide is 40 gram per mole, and for preparing 1 molar solution, 40 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved 1000 gram of the water, and 0.1 molar solution, 4 gram of the sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 gram of the water. See, we are using solvent also in gram, like 1000 gram of the water. And for preparing molar solution or normal solutions, we are using solvent in liters, 1000 ml of the water or 1 liter of this water. For preparing 1.5 molar solution, 60 grams of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 gram of the water. Percent solution. Sometimes the concentration is expressed in terms of the parts per hundreds or percents. Also known as percent compositions of solution can be expressed as percent weight by weight and weight by volume or volume by volume. Percent volume by volume is weight of the solid upon weight of the solution into 100, and percent volume by volume is volume of solid upon volume of solution into 100, and percent weight by volume is weight of the solid upon volume of the solvent into 100. In percent weight by weight, we are using solute and solvent, weight of the solute and solvent. And for percent volume by volume, in which solute and solvent both are in liquid form, and we are using volume of solute and solvent. 1% for preparing 1% solution, 1 gram of the potassium chloride dissolved in 100 ml of the water, and for preparing 10%, 10 gram of the potassium chloride dissolved in 100 ml of the water. Parts per million. Parts per million is frequently employed to express the concentration of very dilute solution and is expressed as ppm. Concentration in ppm is mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 10 to the power 6 ppm. 1 ppm is 1 milligram per liter. This is formula for parts per million. It's mass of solute upon mass of solvent in 10 to the power 6. Thank you.